Take a slow and gentle breath in and then slowly breathe out, allowing your body to relax just a little more with every breath as you imagine yourself resting in a quiet, peaceful place where time feels unimportant and nothing is expected from you, where the air is soft against your skin and the sounds around you are distant and soothing, as if the world itself has decided to whisper instead of speak. And as you continue breathing slowly, you begin to notice how your feet feel warm and heavy, completely supported, your legs relaxing naturally without effort, your hips sinking comfortably, your stomach softening, your chest rising and falling in a calm and steady rhythm, your shoulders gently dropping away from your ears as tension melts like ice under sunlight, your arms feeling loose and at ease, your hands resting comfortably, your neck releasing the weight it has been carrying all day, your jaw unclenching, your tongue resting gently, your cheeks softening, your eyes feeling heavy and relaxed, and your forehead smoothing as if worries are slowly being erased. And as your body settles deeper into comfort, your thoughts begin to slow down, not because you are forcing them to stop, but because they no longer feel important, like leaves drifting down a quiet stream without needing your attention. And you imagine yourself in a calm and safe place beneath a vast night sky where the stars glow softly and the moon shines gently, not demanding anything from you, just existing peacefully. And the night air feels cool and calming as it moves slowly around you, carrying away the weight of the day. And you feel grounded and supported, as if the earth beneath you is gently holding you, reminding you that you are safe and cared for. And with every breath out, you release anything you no longer need to carry. Every unfinished thought, every small worry, every expectation, allowing them to drift away into the quiet darkness where they slowly dissolve, and your breathing becomes deeper and slower. Your heart beats steady and reassuring, creating a rhythm that lulls you into deeper relaxation. And if a thought appears, you simply notice it without judgment and let it pass like a cloud moving across the sky, knowing there is no need to follow it, no need to solve anything right now, because this moment is only for rest. And as you continue to relax, you may imagine yourself lying near a calm lake where the water is perfectly still, reflecting the stars above. And the surface of the lake mirrors your mind as it becomes smoother and quieter, and the gentle sounds of nature surround you, distant and comforting, like a soft breeze through trees or the faint rustle of grass. And your body feels heavier now, sinking deeper into relaxation, as if sleep is slowly wrapping around you like a warm blanket, and your thoughts become softer, more distant, fading into gentle images that come and go without effort, and you feel a sense of peace spreading through you. A deep calm that reaches every part of your body, and you realize there is nothing you need to prove, nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to fix, and that it is safe to let go, safe to rest, safe to sleep. And your breathing continues to guide you deeper, slower, calmer, as your body remembers how to rest naturally, how to heal, how to recover, and the night feels kind and quiet, holding you in stillness, and the world outside fades gently into the background, becoming distant and unimportant. As your awareness drifts inward, and sleep approaches without resistance, without effort, arriving softly and naturally, and your body sinks even deeper, your mind becoming quieter and quieter, until thoughts are just faint echoes, and then nothing at all, only comfort, only calm, only rest, and you allow yourself to drift fully into deep, peaceful sleep, knowing that tomorrow can wait, that this moment is enough, that you are safe, relaxed, and free to sleep now. Crescent moon.